Hello and welcome to Lazy Toddler Parenting. This channel is your trusted guide for pregnancy, newborn care, and parenting tips. If you're a new parent looking for reliable, simple, and science-backed information, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll talk about a very common concern: how to help your baby gain healthy weight. We'll cover a list of safe and nutritious foods, the right time to introduce them, and how much to give your baby at each stage. Let's get started. For babies under 6 months. If your baby is below 6 months old, remember, breast milk or formula is the only food they need. Breast milk is rich in healthy fats, antibodies, and all essential nutrients for your baby's growth and immune system. Feed every 2 to 3 hours, or as per your baby's hunger cues. If you're using formula, follow the guidelines given by your pediatrician. Avoid giving water, juices, or solids before 6 months unless specifically advised by a doctor. Weight gain foods for babies above 6 months. Once your baby is 6 months or older, and your pediatrician says it's okay to start solids, here are the best foods to help with healthy weight gain. Banana. A perfect first food, banana is rich in natural sugars, potassium, and calories. It provides quick energy and supports weight gain. It's soft, easy to digest, and most babies love the taste. You can also mix banana with breast milk, formula, or curd to make it smoother. Ghee mixed with Khichdi or Dalia desi ghee is a great source of healthy fat that supports brain development and weight gain. When added to Khichdi or Dalia, it increases the calorie content without burdening digestion. Make sure not to overdo ghee. Too much fat can cause loose motions or gas. Sweet potato, carbohydrate-rich food. These are starchy vegetables that help babies gain weight naturally. Sweet potatoes are also rich in vitamin A and fiber. You can steam, boil, and mash it with a little ghee or breast milk. Avocado, a superfood for weight gain. Avocados are high in healthy monounsaturated fats and omega-3s. They help in both physical and brain development. Avocado can also be mixed with banana or pear to enhance taste. Ragi Porridge, calcium and iron-rich ragi, also called nachni, is a traditional food known for building strength. It contains iron, calcium, and good carbohydrates. Make sure it's well cooked to avoid digestion issues. Egg, powerhouse of protein and fat. Eggs provide protein, healthy fats, vitamin D, and choline, all important for muscle and brain development. Avoid raw or runny eggs. Always check for allergy signs after first introduction. Curd. For gut health and weight gain, curd is easy to digest and helps improve gut health, immunity, and digestion. It also adds healthy calories. Avoid flavored or packaged curd. Make sure the curd is fresh and not sour. Important notes for parents. Please observe your baby after introducing any new food. Watch out for signs that the food is not being digested properly. Loose motions or constipation, gas, or bloating rashes or allergy, vomiting or refusal to eat. If you notice any of these symptoms, stop the food and consult your pediatrician immediately. We hope this video helped you understand which foods support healthy weight gain in babies. If you found it helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Lazy Toddler Parenting for more baby care tips. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and happy parenting.